Alright, so here's my Bambulabs. Um, I'm in love with this one actually. If you're a beginner, you want to get into your new 3D printing hobby, this is the best way to do it. So I printed these guys, and I was gonna only print 3 guys, but it took me about the same time as printing all of them into 3 guys. And then I also printed a Predator. This is flawless. I still have to take up some of the ends, but this looks phenomenal, and this could be colored in. Right now at the moment it does a lot of waste of, but there's nothing we can do. I mean, these things are beautiful details, if you guys can see that, the faces. I should have done a larger one, but that's my next one. I didn't know how small they were, but this thing has helped me out so much in demoing stuff, because I used the smaller one to demo things, and then I use the larger one to actually produce things. So this one also does production too. So when I create some new creations or modifications, I always run it here because this is a little faster. My next thing is probably, if you're ever going to buy something to begin with, really good out of the box, A1 is a must. Now I got the filaments, 4 of them. We're going to add a number of brown and a white right now in a bit, but first we're going to let it run as it is. And I really like these. Let me see if I could take one of them out. I'm still gonna have to take out the support beams, but look at this. You can even see Vault Tech. This is phenomenal, and this is out of the box, and you could just start printing. You could get these kind of level of details, all right, as I am. And of course, I'm gonna make a larger one just for me, so I'm gonna print a larger one. So maybe statue high, larger one. And this thing, look at the details on it. This is what I'm taking the supports here, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take them all off and take out the supports and see how it looks. But if you're gonna buy one of these, you can start printing your own Christmas decors. It makes a great gift for anybody, any ages, pretty much, as long as you supervise them if they're under the age of 5 or younger, right? So, or 7 and younger, I would say. But this is great.